Okay. This is gonna hit Cody right in the back. This should be good.
Okay, 1 sec. Let me count down. Alright, is it cocked? Shit.
Go!
Alright, 1 sec. Don't shoot. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Fuck! Wait. No, do it again. Do it like 5 in a row. Ah! Ah! Alright. Ah! Fuck! Shit! There's fucking welts on me, I can feel them! Look at it.
This might not be good.
Can you see them?
Yep. Holy shit.